Hello guys, this is Alexander Judovic from Creative Lab Workshop, and today I'm going to show you how you can customize one of our template Tron. Okay, first you must open your Adobe After Effects program. After you do that, go to File, Open Project, and then navigate to the project file. Open the folder, and then double click on the project. Wait until it's open. Okay, after you open the project, you will see something like this. First, you have the three different folders here. Render comps folder, don't touch, and change file here folder. Don't touch, you don't need this folder, just ignore it. Render comps from 1080p is the native resolution for this project. So you should render your final result in this composition. I have included also three different compositions and you can use them as well if you like. The files that you need to change, this composition for the logo and the tagline is in the change file here folder. So you have two different compositions, change logo and change your tagline. And how can we add this file? We can go to file and then import, or we can double right mouse click and go to import file, or we can even go double click on this and then select the file that we want to import. I will import this example logo, and after we import our logo, we will open the change logo composition. We will delete the Envato logos from inside and use our logo instead. Just drag and drop it on the left side here, and well, it's pretty good scale wise, but I'm gonna scale it up a little. I use S key on the keyboard to reveal the scale option, and then I will scale it up. Something like this. Maybe I will use the mouse to move it down to fit better in this window, and after that I will close this composition. And if you take a look, for example here, like you see, it's ignore this tagline and its position because we will deal with it later. I will open the tagline folder here, and after that you can either double click on the text layer here on the timeline, or you can use the double click here, or even you can use the text tool here and then select and type your own line. After that, after you've changed this text, just close this composition as well. Now you have your logo and your tagline. Tagline, like you see, is going across and all over the logo. So I will select the tagline here on the timeline, and then in the y-axis I will drag it down. Be sure that you use, like you see when I go with my mouse on the y-axis, it will show y. So I will position it maybe here. Okay. That's the position for the tagline, and after that we change the logo and we change the tagline. We can adjust the colors as well. Let me find some better place. Maybe here. Okay. Just select the color layer and go to the effect controls for this. If you don't see the effect control window, right mouse click, go to effect, and then click on the effect controls. Let me show you. I will close it for now and go to color, effects, and effects control. And here it is. So you have background. Background, let me change it to maybe something like this. Okay. Then you have flares. Flares is visible in some part of this project. So let me reveal some layers. I will select just flares so we can go more quickly. here it is, flare. So I will use maybe something orange for the flares. Okay. Then you have, let me hide again all the layers. Then you have circuits, that's all the elements around the logo. Maybe something red. Okay, then you have logo wire, that is, it may be something orange. Then you have glow intensity and glow radius. You shouldn't need to adjust this, but if you want, you can tweak it also. And you have subtitle color. Let me show you something like here, and something I will set up this into red. And that is it. Okay, after you done all the changes, set up the colors and everything, you will render this. And how can you do that? Well, be sure that you select the main composition. Just be sure that you see the yellow border on this main composition, and after that you go to composition, add to render query. After that, go to render query window and leave the best setting on. For output model, choose something you like. You can choose something here, or you can go to format, choose something. I will maybe prefer QuickTime, format MPG4, 100% quality, and after that choose audio as well, and then just set the folder for the final movie. I will set the Tron 1080p render here in the project root folder, and I will click the render button and wait until it's finished. Render takes maybe hour and a half, so just relax and wait until it's finished. Okay, this was Aleksandar Đudović from Creative Lab Workshop, and I wish you happy rendering. Bye!